welcome back. Today we're in the kitchen because we are going to make a sensory box inspired by this book. It is Song of the Blue Whale. And it teaches us about the importance of recycling. I'll show you some pictures from the book that's inspired us. I'll link the story in the description. So we're going to make 2 sensory boxes, and we're going to have one focusing on our colours and one teaching us about recycling and how important it is. First up, we need some coloured rice. You can use any rice. And then we just dyed it blue using food colouring. And that is going to be our beach. Imogen, you're going to put it all in here, please. Agatha, we're using water. We're going to fill our water up and use a bit of paint to colour it. This is yours. Very dangerous giving her water. First up, into our water, we have some things that you would expect to see in the ocean. Here we go. Off you go, pop them in there. So next up we have all the rubbish, all the things that shouldn't be in the ocean but end up sometimes in the ocean. Some of those, pick those. So stick all your rubbish into here. What's going to go in? Oh, she's picked the net first. Keep going. So our signs, we've got fish, duck, ocean, blue, green, recycling, and we've got them in our trays all ready to go for our sorting activity later. Once you've added all your sand, you can move on to the next stage. We've got some sequins and some glitter. So some for you and some for Agatha. Those are yours. Agatha, you ready for some sparkles? We're going to put some of that in there. Ooh, glitter. Oh, most of it went in. Well done. Do you know what? We could use that for rubbish, couldn't we? Put that. Yeah. Next up into Imogen's is lots of blue and green things. This is a good idea for sorting. I just got some pipe cleaners, put some beads on it, and then they have to take the beads off and sort them according to colour. And then when you're ready to sort, you've got the tray with all the different compartments. So blue objects, the blue compartment, green objects in the green compartment, recycling. And then we've also got some little buckets to help you, and some sieves for the water, or spoons to help you get your object out. And then you can spell out the word ocean at the end. All we did is they're magnets, and we just added glitter, so blue and green glitter and green glitter. You've got to find all the green objects and all the blue and sort them. So can you do this? So look, that's green. So you put that here. And that's green. So that's green. Can you find anything green to go in the green compartment? That's green. Well done. What else is green? Have you found something else that's green? That's green. That's green. Well done. Gosh, you're so good at this. Agatha. Is this recycling? Look. So that's recycling. That's rubbish. So we put that here. Agatha, can you find the duck? Quack, quack. Where's the duck? Quack, quack. You can. Quack, quack. Well done, Imogen. Can you find something else green? Green. Can you find the duck? Quack, quack. Well done! Quack, quack. Can you find something that quacks? video from the Song of the Blue Whale. Bye, big ones. Bye. Bye. And have a go at making your own sensory box, either using rice or using water. Until next time. Giveaway! Woo! Hello, bookworms! So, the exciting news, and I've had to secretly film this without the girls because it involves teddy bears. And we have a big bundle to give away for our first lucky winner. Second prize is we're going to give away another teddy bear. We thought we couldn't just have one winner. You could win all of these prizes. For more information and all the rules, check out the description of this video. Can I come and live with you? Please? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for everyone who has believed in us, supported us, subscribed to our channel. We have so much fun doing our videos. Thank you. Thank you. No. What are you still doing here? No. You should be entering our giveaway. Come on now. Chop, chop. Go, go, go.